What does Roadrunner, Wile E. Coyote, and Bugs Bunny all have in common with Graveyard Carz? We're animated, baby. Next Tuesday, new episode, all animated Graveyard Carz, 7 p.m. Eastern, 4 Pacific. Don't miss it.
On this week's special animated episode of Graveyard Carz.
You have all been invited to dinner and a murder.
Mystery.
Now, what do you got on this Worman guy?
In 8th grade, he was voted most likely to be murdered by a fellow student.
Thrills and chills.
Oh my God, he's dead!
You have until midnight.
Welcome to my hell.
Deceit and betrayal.
How could you?
He said he'd expose me for being the number 2 painter.
Murder and more.
Nobody is leaving here until we figure out who tried to take me out or somebody dies.